Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Yeedi S14 Plus. This product's linked in the description, so do your shopping from there if you're interested. Now let's go ahead. We're going to enter into the Yeedi app, which you see right here. We have all of our Yeedi devices in our app. We're going to enter into the S14 Plus, and we're going to go to the top right-hand corner, hit our device settings, and go all the way down to the bottom right-hand corner. There's a little trash can icon. We can select delete. And now we select delete again, and it has removed it from our account. Give it a couple of minutes here, but that's it. Simple and straightforward. There's nothing else to it. That's going to be how you'll be able to factory reset your Yeedi S14 Plus. Typically on some of these, like from Ecovacs and Yeedi, they usually have a reset button on them, but that's not the case for this particular model. So you'll have to do it from the mobile app. But simple, straightforward. If you want to then reset it back up again, just add it to your app or another app.